We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Hello guys, my name is Jasper and this is my little brother Jasper. Today I am going to do my own experiment. The name of my experiment is called Sing Out Loud to Turn the Light On. For this experiment we need 2 batteries, a battery casing, 2 crocodile clips, a sound sensor, and a LED. First we are going to put the batteries in the battery casing. Now we are going to take the sound sensor and attach the red side to the back plus and attach the black side to the back minus. Now we are going to take these crocodile clips and attach them to out plus and to out minus. Then we are going to take the black side of the out plus and attach it to the longer side. And take this one and attach it to the shorter side. And now when I speak, the LED turns on. Like this. So if I keep speaking, the LED will turn on. But if I'm quiet, it will stay off. Like this. And now, since I'm talking, the LED is lighting up. Now my brother is going to sing a song, and when he is singing, the light will turn on, but when he stops, the light will turn off.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
So guys, see, when he was singing, the light turned on, but when he was taking breath and stopped, the light turned off. I hope you liked my own experiment, and if you want to try, you can do it at home. Bye!